Friends, in this video we will do some more complex questions on linear equations in which repeated variables will come. Okay, so as I have already told you, if one variable will come means in ax plus b, if a is equals to 1. Okay, so how we will do, and if there are repeated variables, so how we can solve the linear equation, that we have already seen, and here I am explaining you more complex questions. Okay, so first question is 3 bracket open x minus 5 is equals to 5x plus 1. So by using distributive law we can multiply this 3 into x as well as minus 5. So this will become 3x minus 5, and on right hand side it is as it is. But here you are seeing that on left hand side there is a 3x and on right hand side there is a 5x. So we have to transpose it, means one of the either 5x or 3x or 5x we have to transpose so that they will come on the one side. So as I have already explained you that generally variable on the left hand side and constant on the right hand side. So I am taking it is on the left hand side. So 3x minus 5x and 15 will come on the right hand side. So we get 1 plus 15. So it will become minus 2x is equals to 16. Now we have to eliminate minus 2 because what we want that our variable coefficient of variable should be plus 1. So we have to multiply it by minus 1 by 2, and the same thing we have to do on the right hand side also. So it is 16 into minus 1 by 2 is minus 8. Okay, so x is equals to minus 8. So this is our final answer. Now if we want to, or you have to do every time for cross checking, so what we will do, because here are in equation which is given to you, we are seeing that there is LHS as well as proper LHS and RHS. So we have to put value of x is equals to minus 8 in LHS as well as in RHS. Okay, so when we put 3 in 3x minus 15, so it will become 3 into minus 8 minus 15. 3 into minus 8 is minus 24 and minus 15 as it is, so we get minus 39. This is our first. Now take RHS. So RHS is 5x plus 1. So put minus 8 in this. So we get minus 40 plus 1 is equals to minus 39. Now see from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we are seeing that in both cases we are getting minus 39. So LHS is equals to RHS. Okay. So now check it. Since LHS is equals to RHS, so our final answer which we are getting minus 8 is right. Now see second one, x minus 2 plus 4 bracket open x minus 1 is equals to 2. So in this what we will do, we are using distributive law, so it will become 4x minus 4. Now see x and 4x, they are like terms, so they will add up, so we get 5x, and minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6, so 5x minus 6 is equals to 2. Now this will transpose to the right hand side, so we get 5x is equals to 8. Now we have to eliminate 5, so we have to multiply it by 1 by 5 on both the side. So final answer will be x is equals to 8 by 5. We have to cross check it, so take LHS. LHS is x minus 2 plus 4 bracket open x minus 1. When we put 8 by 5 in this, so here you are seeing that this is a bracket. So according to BODMAS rule, we will do bracket first. Okay, so 8 upon 5 minus 1, take LCM, and after taking LCM 4 will be multiplied by this, so we get 12 upon 5. Now see this term, so in this term we will take LCM, so we get 10 upon 5. 10 upon 5 is 2. Okay, and see on the right hand side of your question it is 2. So our final answer, which is x is equals to 8 by 5, is right. Now see next question, 4 2x plus 4 bracket open 2x plus 3 minus 10 is equals to 5 3 minus x. Again apply distributive law. So 4 will be multiplied by 2x as well as 3. So it will become 8x plus 12 minus 10. Okay, minus 10 will be as it is, and here again it will be multiplied. Now 8x and 5x, they are like terms. So on transposing it will become 8x plus 5x, and here it will become 15 minus 2, because this is 12 minus 10 is 2, and when it will come on the right hand side, so it will become minus 2. So 13x is equals to 13. Now eliminate 13 from this, so we get x is equals to 1. Okay, for cross checking, first we will put in the LHS. So instead of 2, what we are putting? We are putting 1. So it will become 5. Now 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. 20 minus 10 is 10. Again, since there is, here is right hand side also, so we have to put x is equals to 1 in right hand side also. So 3 minus 1 is 2, and 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. So here you are seeing that we are getting the same answer on left hand side as well as right hand side. So we can say that our answer is right. Okay, next question. 7 minus bracket open 2 minus 3x is equals to 12 minus bracket open 5 minus 4x. So on both the sides, first we have to open our bracket. When bracket will open, then this minus will be multiplied by every element. So we will get minus 2 plus 3x, since minus minus plus, and here is the same minus minus plus, so it will become plus. So 7 minus 2 plus 3x is equals to 12 minus 5 plus 4x. 7 minus 2 will become 5, 3x will be as it is, and here 12 minus 5 is equals to 7. Okay, now transpose so that like term will come on the one side. So 3x minus 4x is equals to 7 minus 5. It will become minus x is equals to 2. Or we can simplify it by multiplying minus 1. Okay, so it will become minus 2. Okay, now we have to cross check it. So put x is equals to minus 2 on left hand side as well as right hand side. LHS is 7 minus bracket open 2 minus 3x. So 7 minus 2 minus 3 into minus 2. This will become minus minus plus, so 6. So 2 plus 6 is 8. So 7 minus 8 is equals to minus 1. Now take right hand side. 12 minus bracket open 5 minus 4x. 4 multiplied by minus 2. So this will become plus 8. Okay. And 5 plus 8 is 13. And 12 minus 13 is equals to minus 1. So see, first and second we are getting the same answer. So LHS is equals to RHS, and our final answer x is equals to minus 2 is right answer. Okay. So this way you can do complex sums of linear equation. Clear? So means distributive law, or put aside your like terms, or different things, different formula of maths. Through maths you can do this thing. So this is all about of your this video. And first, one thing you have to remember, that by doing step by step, simple equation with repeated unknown can be solved. And second thing, remember to check your solution by substituting it into the equation. Okay, this is all about of this video. Thank you. Hope this video will help you. Bye bye.